So if you want to give up drinking the drugs, caffeine, then get into a fruit-based diet. A lot of people give up caffeine, they give up drinking coffee, but they forget that there's caffeine in a lot of other products. Check out these ones. We've got Cliff Bars, for instance. We've got Twinings, like tea. A lot of teas still have a lot of caffeine. This one in particular, the matcha is like just having a coffee. There's a lot of matcha going around, like it's very trendy, but it's just like drinking coffee, so you're not doing anything beneficial. Chocolate maple, caffeine. Brownie mix, caffeine. Chocolate, caffeine. Coca-Cola. The population is so drugged up on caffeine. It's in so many products that you wouldn't even realize.
What about this one?
Yes, this one, feeding the children the caffeine. Mountain Dew. Unexpected, hey, but it has a lot of caffeine in it. It's like having a coffee, the Mountain Dew. They say it's formulated caffeinated beverage. Lovely. And lots of kids get into it, right? That's why we got a lot of crazy kids getting around. And what they need is bananas, actual ripe bananas. That's going to get rid of the caffeine if you eat enough fruits. You need the carbohydrates. It's going to satisfy you so you don't need the drugs.